type 1 if you're hearing me? Can you type 1 if you are hearing me? Please type 1 if you can hear my audio. Check 1 million. Check 2 million. Check 3 million. Very good. Very good. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. So before I will start, sino ba itong si Edgar Eugenio, if I may ask? If I may ask. Edgar Do Eugenio. Okay. So, all right. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Before I will start, I would like to ask kung saan po kayo nanonood right now. If where are you from? Where are you from? Live. Is this live? Of course, this is live and alive. Sir, I'm live. Rizal, Laguna. So, from Sarangani province, where Pangasinan. Wow. Canada. Wow, Canada. Nueva Ecija, Vizcaya, Batangas, Toronto, Toronto. Davao del Norte, Batangas, Riyadh, San Pablo, Laguna, from Pasig, Cebu, Nueva Ecija. Wow. So, before anything else, I usually start my webinar, ladies and gentlemen, mga kapatid, kapuso at kapamilya, ka-A to Z, with this statement. Good evening, world. Good evening, Philippines. And good evening, Cagayan de Oro City. We're live and alive from Cagayan de Oro City. Now, let me share to you my screen share. All right, share screen. All right. Can you see my screen right now? Can you see my screen? Please type if you can see my screen. Wow. Wait a minute. All right. Wait a minute. Okay. Can you see my screen right now? Please type 1 if you can see my screen from Saudi, Qatar. Wow. You can see my screen. Wow. So yes. So again, let's start because by 9 o'clock, 9:30, we have a live trading from Abdallah, one of our master trader in economy. Now, sa mga kapatid natin sa Luzon at sa northern part of the Philippines, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga igsoon nato sa Visayas and Mindanao, maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. O sa atong mga igsoon sa mga Muslim brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And welcome po dito sa Forex Introduction and Cheat Codes. So, let me start. Tonight, we will be discussing two major parts. Number one is introduction to Forex. Ano po ito si Forex? Si Forex ba, babae ba, o lalaki ba? So, alamin natin. Now, the second one is the cheat codes. Now, let us start. Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I am Noel Nunoy Hirong. I was born and I was raised in Camp Phillips, Del Monte, Bukidnon, where you can see the ocean of pineapple of Del Monte. Anak po ako at katas po ako ng pinya ng Del Monte Philippines Incorporated. I graduated 2 courses. One is a nautical course at Capitol University and the other one is business management at Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan. And I have 20 years in experience of sales and marketing. From book selling to smart communications. I guess I have one colleague here from Smart Communications. So now, dito si Karen. I think Karen is here. Please type Ka if you're here. Wow, Karen. And I am the owner and proprietor of Chixel Motors, makers of yung mga multicab. And I am one of the officers of the Fraternity Orders of Philippine Eagles. Sa mga ate, sa mga bunso, sa mga kuya, magandang gabi, mabuhay ang agila. And I am one of the coaches of the Kabayan Trading Community, Bisaya Trading Community, and Pinoy Trading Community. And I'm also in my political career, I was a former provincial federation president of the Sangguniang Kabataan. So we were the first batch of the Sangguniang Kabataan. And of course, dati po akong seaman, dati po akong kabaro, no? I was with Crystal Harmony, cruise ship po. So, to continue, hello po, to continue, All right. I would like to show my family. The reason this is my wife and this is my kid. To tell you honestly, my kid is a special child. She has a Down syndrome. In layman's term, mongoloid ang akong anak ko. She's the only daughter. She's the only child of ours. And she's very good. She go to school. No? And my wife is in America right now. She's in New York. So sa mga OFW, nararamdaman ko rin yung mga nararamdaman nyo. So my wife is in America. She's a driver in New York. Nagda-drive po siya, naghahatid sundo po siya sa mga bata. It's a Korean national, but it's American citizen na sila, ay yung amo niya. But Koreano po, husband and wife. And after po, pag mahatid na niya yung mga anak nila, mag-housekeeping siya. So in layman's term po, parang tinatawag nating domestic helper din yung asawa ko. The reason why I joined this community, because with this part, I'm so emotional. The reason why I joined this community, because I wanted to bring her back. No, our income here in the Philippines cannot support basically. So I wanted to bring her back because if she is able to take good care of mga other people, how much she was not able to take good care of our family, especially our child. Iba talaga po ang bata. Huwag lumalaki nandiyan ng ina. No? So I wanted to bring her back. That's why sumali po ako dito. So ito po, this is our picture. She went home last June 2024. No? She celebrated the birthday of our only child. So ito po ang sinasabi ko kanina. This is one of my businesses, no? Marami pa ang business pero ito lang papakita ko sa inyo. I am a builder and a seller of multi-caps. Ganito po. So these are my pictures. Yung makikita niyo mga minivan, mini wagon. Ayun po. Isa po, ganyan po yung negosyo ko. And then this picture of mine is when I was awarded by the Fraternity Orders of Philippine Eagles sa mga achievements namin. And since uso po ngayon ang election, last 2022 kasi I ran as a municipal councilor in Manolo Fertich Bukidnon. Dahil po I was involved into politics. So before itong dalawang to magkaibigan pero ngayon hindi na sila united. So ito po ang political career ko at sa awa ng Diyos. Sa awa ng Diyos, when I ran for municipal councilor sa bayan namin, sa awa po ng Diyos, natalo po. So ito po after election, nagnegosyo na po ako. So to start, guys, let me tell you in straight. We do not accept investment. Now, if you notice, nagtatanong kayo, na-scam na po kami, galing po kami dyan, hindi po kami naka-withdraw, ganito. There are 4 things na pwede kong isabi sa inyo. There are 4 things na sabihin ko sa inyo. Kung scam ba ang sinasalihan nyo or scam ba yung ina-attendan nyo ng webinar. Number 1, if may investment po, talagang scam po yan. Dito po, walang investment. We do not accept investment. Number 2 po, kung ikaw ay hindi po mag-open ng account, ibig sabihin yan, scam po yan. Dito po sa atin, ikaw po mismo mag-open ng account. Number 3, kung hindi ikaw maka-withdraw, kasi iaantayin mo pa, marami pong mga chichiburitsi nila kasi magbabayad ka kung mag-withdraw yung profit nyo. Kaway-kaway naman dyan sa mga nabiktima ng scam po yan. Dito po sa atin, dito po yung sinalihan niyo na webinar. Ikaw po ang mag-open ng account, ikaw po ang mag-withdraw anytime. Number 4 po, yung mga scammer po, wala po silang community. Tayo po, mayroon tayong community. We have 8 GC already. 8 GC, meaning to group chat sa Messenger. 8 po. Ibig sabihin yan, ang maximum of 250 per GC. So just imagine po, yung community natin ganon kalaki. Si mga scammer po, walang community. So, again, I will review. Pag nagtatanggap po ng investment yan, scam ho yan. Number 2, Pag hindi po ikaw nag-open ng account, scam ho yan. Kung hindi ka maka-withdraw anytime kasi hindi ikaw nag-open ng account, scam ho yan. Number 4, kung wala silang community, scam po yan. So kaway-kaway naman dyan sa mga sa mga nabiktima yung during nagtatanong sa chat. Sir, nabiktima na po kasi kami, hindi po kami nakapag-open ng account. Disclaimer lang po sa atin po, hindi po. Alright? So, may I know if there's investment for this? Sir, kasasabi ko lang, sir. Ay ma'am, kasasabi ko lang. Makinig po, makinig sa sinasabi ko. Wala pong investment dito. Alright? Okay? Wala pong investment. Alright, sige. Wala pong investment. From Cagayan de Oro, graduate of Xavier University, Sir Ma'am Karen. Alright. To continue, again, dalawa po yung pag-usapan natin. The basic forex and then the cheat codes. Paano naging madali lang si forex? Now, part 1. Is forex risky or is forex rewarding? Tanong ko po, is forex risky or is forex rewarding? Answer po kayo. Please answer if forex is risky or is forex rewarding po. So please type 1 if forex is risky. Please type 2 is forex is rewarding. Okay. Please type po. So para interactive po tayo, no? Is forex risky or is forex rewarding? Both po. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Both. Actually, kahit anong bagay, especially if you're learning to do forex, risky talaga yan. Just like riding, gusto mong matuto mag-ride ng bike, risky talaga yan. Madadapa ka. Diba? Madadapa ka, matutumba ka, magasgasan ka, masisira yung bike mo. It's risky. But if you know how to ride a bike, later on, alam mo na, rewarding na po yan. Diba? Tama ho ba? So, the same with forex. If you know forex, hindi na po risky yan. Rewarding na po yan. Okay. Rewarding na po si forex if one. So, to continue, what is forex? What is forex, by the way? Ano to si forex? Marami ho nagtatanong, what is forex? Can you tell me? Can you text me? Sa nagtatanong, can you text me about forex? Boss, mga madam, hindi po namin matitext ang isang oras na webinar sa isang text po yan. Foreign exchange, Pablito Mendez, very good. Very good. Foreign exchange, Honor Magic 7, very good. Foreign exchange, meaning to say exchange of currency. All right. Tama ho yan. Foreign exchange. Now, what is forex? It's this exchange of currency. It's basically buy and sell of money. Si euro, bibilhin ng dollar, ganun lang. Just like pag may AFAM ka, kung may AFAM ka, pupunta ng Pilipinas, bago niya magamit yung pera niya, i-exchange niya ng peso. That's foreign exchange. We went to America 2019, we went to America 2022. Bago kami makapunta ng Amerika, bumili po kami ng dollar. So bumili po kami ng dollar para magamit po namin yung dollar doon. So this is basically buy and sell. That's forex. Now, this is the largest financial market in the world. Why? Because every nation, most of the nations are doing forex. And we are trading every day. Actually, ang nakalagay dito 6.7. But ang nakalagay, the total right now, as of this time, we're talking, it's $7.5 trillion. Every day, $7.5 trillion, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. Dito po sa forex, wala pong kompetensya dito. Hindi po the same sa normal na mga traditional business. Pag-uso ang banana Q, lahat ng mga kapitbahay mo nag-banana Q. Natatandaan nyo ba? Yung uso ang water refilling station, before it was 100 plus, yung malaking ganyan, galon. I have a water refilling station, nakikiuso din ako. Hanggat sa bumaba, 15 pesos na lang. Tama ho ba? Dito po sa forex, kahit po si Karen, kahit po yung kung sino-sino dyan, pag kumikita dito, wala tayong pakialam. Hindi natin mauubos ang 6.7 trillion dollars. Wala pong kompetensya dito. Okay? Alright. Wala pong kompetensya dito. Welcome po, 109 participants. Kahit po kumikita si Jenny, kahit kumikita si Jimbo, kahit kumikita si Chinky at si Jinli Ibuho, wala po tayong pakialam. We are even happy na kumikita sa walang kompetensya dito. Kasi hindi po natin mauubos ang 6.7 trillion dollars. Even Elon Musk and Trump cannot, hindi nila maniobra to. And it's a global market. Why? Because everybody in the world is doing Forex. And again, it is the most liquid business in the world. Bakit ka mo? You can deposit, you can withdraw anytime. Sa yung sinasabi ko kanina. Okay? Yung sinasabi ko kanina, pag ikaw ang nag-open ng account, ikaw ho ang pwedeng mag-withdraw. You can withdraw anytime. Meaning to say, very liquid. Hindi po siya yung sinasabi, kaway-kaway naman dyan, yung mga nagsasabi, sir, nag-profit yung ano ko, nag-profit yung Forex na pina-invest ko, tapos hindi kami maka-withdraw, sir, kasi marami silang hinihingi na mga fees. O, kaway-kaway, scam ho yan. Dito sa Forex, through Forex, ang totoong Forex, anytime po ka pwedeng mag-withdraw. And it operates 24/5. Bakit po? Sunday and Saturdays wala pong trading except crypto and Bitcoin. Pero other pairs, wala pong trade po. And it's available in your cell phone, even in your laptops and your iPads, available. And the whole government and central banks institutions are doing, even individuals are doing Forex. Ganito po si Forex. Again, hindi po mauubos natin ang 6.7 trillion dollars. Okay. Why Forex? Bakit ho Forex? Bakit wala kayong ibang topic? Bakit Forex? Now, I have read an article telling us that in order to be successful, the job and the business that you have to be engaged starting 2025, it's only sales and digital business. Sales, because sales is the backbone of every business. Kung walang nagbebenta sa business, if you don't know how to do sales, wag na po kayong mag-isip na mag-entrepreneur kayo. Sales is really the backbone of every business and digital business. Guys, ganito lang mga kapatid, kay A to Z. Si Ludivina, ang sarap ng higa mo, Ma'am Ludivina. Sarap. Woo! Now, digital business. I came from Smart Communications. 14 years, almost 15 years. I came from Dito Telecommunity as area cluster managers. When Dito started, kami po ang nag-start ng Dito. Haven't you noticed, guys? Haven't you noticed, mga kapatid, ka A to Z, wala na kayong makikita na load na dito? Before, nag-aagawan na load na dito because of digitalization. Why? You can load via GCash, you can load via Paymaya, you can even load GoTime, and you can even load via your a bank account. That is digital business. And it's a flexible lifestyle. Why? Because you can trade. You can trade anywhere for as long as you have internet, for as long as you know how to read. If you go to the beach, you can trade. No? If you go to the mall, you can trade. And it's a low startup capital. Bakit ka mo? You can even trade even after $5. If you're $5, even cents, you can trade in cents. If maganda lang yung positioning niya, it's a high income potential. And guys, here's the catch. Before, we thought Forex was para sa taga-UP lang, taga-Ateneo lang, taga-Lasal lang, para sa mga matatalino lang. We thought Forex is for those my brain. Right now, you don't need experience in Forex to do Forex. Why? I will explain later. Okay. Now, these are the pictures of foreign exchange. No? These are the pictures of foreign exchange. Yung mga bangko, lahat. Yeah. Now, here, as you can see, euro versus the US dollar. Yung euro dollar versus GBP, British versus pound. USD versus Swiss franc. USD versus Japan, yung lapad. USD versus Canada, yung taga-Canada kanina. AUD, yung Australian dollar versus US. If you notice, guys, mga kapatid, from A to Z, if you notice, dollar ho yan, dollar. Why? Because just like English is the universal language, dollar is the universal money. That's why in every pair, US dollar versus ganito, US dollar versus ganito. That's the yung ginagawa natin sa Forex. Now, to continue, there are terminologies here. Kasi basic po to. Basic po. There are terminologies here in Forex. Now, we have buy and we have sell. Ang buy, other term for buy is a long position. Buy if bibili tayo kung ang market is pataas. Sell, magsisell tayo, mag-execute tayo, Ma'am Irene, ng sell is if ang yung market pababa po. Okay? So, and then there are take profit. I want you to get this, take profit. Kung na-hit mo yung gusto mong tamaan na kita, that's take profit. And then stop loss po is yung, halimbawa, maglalagay ka ng buy, mayroon siyang protection po yung money mo para hindi siya masusunog. Hindi mauubos yung pera mo. Kasi pag reversal ng market, pag reverse ng market, masusunog ang pera mo pag wala kang stop loss. This is to protect your money. Okay. Pag-uusapan natin yan later on. In depth. Now, here. Halimbawa, nag-entry po kayo dito. Nag-entry po kayo dito. Dito, buy position. Ang stop loss mo, dito mo siya ilagay. Kasi, pag biglang bababa yung market, halimbawa, biglang nagkamali ka sa pag-analyze, biglang bababa yung market, stop loss yan. Meaning to say, i-cut na yung losing mo. Stop niyo yung loss mo. So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi na malaki ang talo mo. Pero pag paakyat naman siya, may target 1, may TP1, may TP2 ka. Ibig sabihin, these are your income. Ito po, income nyo na ma-hit niyo. These are the TP1, take profit, at TP2, and yan. So are we learning? Are we learning from this? Now, this is also when you do execute the sell position. Now, ang stop loss ilagay mo sa ibabaw, sa itaas. Because if in case the market goes up, kasi dito ka nag-entry, in case the market goes up, maprotektahan yung money mo. Because the rule of thumb in trading is that, one of the rule of thumb in trading is that, always protect your capital. Always protect your capital. Do not think of the profit, always protect your capital. So this is your take profit 1, and this is your take profit 2. Okay? Are we learning? Are we learning? Okay? Learning po? Learning? All right. Sige po. Please type if you're learning. Okay. Now, okay, yes. In Forex, there are technical analysis. There are technical analysis. Kailangan mo, ang technical analysis po is kailangan mo siyang aralin kung kailan ka mag-buy, kailan ka mag-sell. Ganun po ang Forex. Ano pong posisyon niya? Kailangan po mo siyang aralin. Okay. There are three types of market analysis. This is one, the sentimental analysis, the technical analysis, and the fundamental analysis. The sentimental analysis po, mga kapatid, ka A to Z, is kung sino po yung, dito po makikita yung tinatawag nating lagging and leading. Alright? The technical analysis, kung sino po yung dominante ngayon. Si seller ba or si buyer ba? This is the sentimental analysis. Kung ang dominante ba ang volume, ang green, which is the buyer, or ang red, which is the seller. Pag-aralan natin yan later on. The technical analysis is the chart patterns. Kung ano po yung reversal niya, kung kailan po siya dapat ka mag-buy, kung anong posisyon ng yung chart niya, yung technical indicators, yung sinasabi, yung nagtatanong ano po yung technical indicators, this is the technical analysis part of the types of marketing analysis. And the fundamental analysis is that this is what is happening in the world. Halimbawa, nung nanalo si Trump, ibig sabihin yun, malakas si gold. Kasi nanalo si Trump. Di ba? Malakas si Bitcoin. Alright. So, malakas si Bitcoin. Now, ganun po si fundamental. Kung si fundamental is all about what's happening in the world. The war, yung dineclare na tawag nito, mag-peace talk na si Ukraine at si Russia, apektado ho yan. Alright? So those are the fundamental analysis. Minsan po, bawas-bawasan na natin manunood ng Batang Quiapo po. Titingnan na natin ng world news about market. Okay? Okay. Bawas-bawasan na natin. If you're into Forex. Now, the fundamental analysis, ito po, yung sa dashboard nyo, sa cellphone nyo, makikita nyo to. Pag red, halimbawa, nagtatrade ka ng GBP versus US dollar, may red po dito. I-click mo yan, lalabas yung news. So paglabas ng news, huwag ka munang mag-trade. If it's against you, huwag ka munang mag-trade. If it's for you, mag-trade ka. Okay. Ito po ang fundamental. Now, this is the technical analysis. Yan, kung kailan mo ang indicator, anong indicator, yung blue, yung violet, yung nasa gitna, these are the technical indicators. Kailangan na po nating aralin yan. Okay? Alright. Now, ito po, aralin po natin lahat to. Kung kailan tayo mag-buy, anong signal si bearish, hindi natin alam sino ba yung bearish na yan, kung ano yung si Elliott wave, aralin po natin yan. Double bottom, kailan tayo. So, ito po, mga entries po, these are the technical analysis na kailangan natin aralin. Si double top, kailangan bullish flag, entry, doji, yung lahat ng mga candles, aralin natin yan. So since aralin natin yan, ito lahat, ang tanong ko, especially for the beginners, is Forex ba complicated or not? Please type C if complicated, N if it's not. Okay? Is Forex ba complicated or not? Alright? Okay. C, complicated po. Complicated. Parang relasyon din yan. Pag kung ginikomplikar mo yung relasyon, complicated yan. My question now, do you want an easier solution? Because if you want an easier solution, I will discuss to you the second part of this webinar, which is the cheat codes. Are you ready? Please type ready if you're ready to know the cheat codes. Bakit po hindi mo na kailangan ng experience sa Forex? It makes easier. Ma'am Mildred, yes, Ma'am Maria. Ready po. Are you ready? Yes. Ma'am Marife, are you ready? Okay. Let's discuss the second part. The second part is the cheat codes. Ang cheat code po, just like going to school, pag alam mo, yung katabi mo, magaling, bright, nangungupya ka sa kanya, alam mo, papasa ka. In school, you are not taught to cheat. You are not taught to gayahin ang kanapat sarili mo. But in life, if you don't mirror, kung hindi mo gayahin yung mas maganda ang nangyari sa buhay, masisira ang buhay mo. Okay. Cheat codes. Paano namin nakita itong cheat codes? Are you familiar with RDR? Yung nag-i-interview ng mga businesses, mga tanatawag nila, mga businessman na very successful, si RDR. Ito po si RDR, na-interview niya si Coach Edsel. Coach Edsel naman was able to pay his 26 million Guys, 26 million was able to pay his 26 million even during pandemic time, 2019, 2002 to 2021 or 22. 26 million. Sinong may utang dito? Sinong may utang dito? Ilagay nyo o magkano yung utang nyo. Sino pong may utang dito? Si Coach Edsel was able to pay. Sir Joe, alam ko Chris, may 1 million. Pag-usap, maliit lang yan. 1 million. Me, Derek, 6 million. Sir Derek, pag-usapan natin yung 6 million mo kasi medyo malaki. Yung 1 million, Sir Joe, hindi ako natitinag doon. 1 million loss in stock. Okay, pag-aralan natin yan. Si Coach Edsel was able to pay his 26 million, guys, in just 2 years using these cheat codes. That's why he was interviewed by RDR of one of his episodes. And luckily, si Coach Edsel was a very good friend of our head coach in Cagayan de Oro, si Coach Nars Paragoya. Pumunta sila dito sa Cagayan de Oro para ipaalam sa atin. Ni-share na sa amin kung paano nila ginawa to. They went in Cagayan de Oro. 1K lang yung utang mo dyan. Ang liit naman yan. They went in Cagayan de Oro. Nag-meet and greet po kami dito. May konting gala-gala. And then we also went to Manila to study more about Forex. And what's good with this one is that kami po, yung mga coaches here in Cagayan de Oro, yung mga coaches natin na member dito sa economy, is nag-aral po kami ng maigi, ng maayos para ituturo namin sa inyo. You don't have, swerte po kayo, you don't have to go to Manila, you don't have to enroll para aralin si Forex. Ganun po, kaswerte kayo. Kami po, when we started Forex, eto po, nag-aral. We went to Manila, nagbayad ho kami para aralin ang Forex. Now, what are the cheat codes? Guys, ito, cheat codes na tayo. Sino yung may 26, yung may utang na 6 million? Pag-usapan natin. Cheat codes. Yung nasunog sa stocks, pag-usapan natin. Cheat codes. Guys, the world is crazy about AI. Artificial intelligence. Okay? The world is crazy. Before, we thought, ang problema kasi sa Pilipino, we thought pag-usapan natin ang AI, pag-usapan natin ang Forex, ay scam yan. Didn't you notice, guys? When Bitcoin was introduced to the world, 2013, the youngest millionaire in Bitcoin right now is 17 years old or 18 years or 19 years old. Yung pera niya, na baon niya, binili niya ng Bitcoin. Ngayon, milyonaryo na. We thought before, condominium, ni-introduce si condominium sa atin. Ay, yung condominium kasi, pag naglindol, mauubos yan, wala ka na. So, now, everybody is buying condominium because of Airbnb. Ganun po. So when we introduce natin si AI, huwag niyong sabihin, scam ho yan. Ganun po ang ugali ng Pilipino. So AI tools, dito na, everything, even if you Google ChatGPT, paano maggawa ng letter? AI na po, pwede na si AI. Alright? AI tools. Tatlo po ang AI natin. Number 1 is this pattern scanner. Yung pattern sa Manara. Sa dashboard nyo, sa laptop nyo, lalabas po to. Siya na po ang maglalagay. Siya na po ang mag-determine kung anong klase ang entry ang ililagay mo. It's a sell ba or a buy ba? O saka saan mo ilagay yung take profit mo. Ikaw mismo mag-manual, maglagay. If lalabas to na pattern, sa Manara pattern, harmonic patterns. Now, what are these harmonic patterns? Guys, Even if you Google it, harmonic patterns are very profitable with a success rate of 70%. And there are harmonic patterns that gives you 85% winning rate. Guys, ang Forex is 50-50. Buy 50, sell 50. But if you have 70, kahit 51% pa lang, panalo ka na. How much more with this 70% or 85% winning rate? Diba? All right? Okay. This is the harmonic pattern. Now, this is how it is being done. Siya na po ang mag-scan instead of tayo po mag-analyze sa market, siya na po ang mag-analyze sa market. Okay, that's why AI tools. Now, these are the examples po, yung kumita $600 plus, ganito, $4,000, ganyan po, for $4,124, di ba? So this is Coach Gio. Yung kumita ng, example lang po ha, yan, siya po yung kumita ng gamit yung AI pa. Kumita po siya ng 4,445. That's 234, mga kapatid, because of AI. So yung utang mo kanina, sir, na 6 million, i-divide na lang natin yan. Malamang makukuha natin yan. Okay? All right. So this is Coach Gio, and the very lucky here is Coach Gio went to Cagayan. He went to Cagayan de Oro. Nag-bootcamp po kami dito. Ibig sabihin nun, we had a bootcamp for 3 days. Nag-bootcamp ay inaral namin kung anong meron siya. Shinare niya sa atin kung anong meron siya. And now, it is our time to share it to you, guys. That's why you are so very lucky. Nagbayad po kami para lang pumunta siya dito sa atin, sa amin. Now, sa atin dito, wala na po kayong bayad. Okay? Alright. So, ito po, ang number 2 po is a wealth builder. Si wealth builder po, ganito, si wealth builder is AI na po ang mag-trade. Yung kanina, manual yun, ikaw ang mag-trade. Itong number 2 na AI is si wealth builder. Si wealth builder is a long-term. Ano siya? Very conservative siya, long-term siya. Si AI na po ang mag-trade. Stress-free. Hindi ka na, you don't need experience. Stress-free, kung busy ka, mag-trade na lang siya. Mag-trade siya ng, and you don't have to worry, guys, because again and again, ikaw po mag-open ang account. Ikaw po mismo makamonitor. If you don't want, hindi mo gusto, you can stop easily. You can stop easily. Alam mo, yung anak ko, yung special child ko na Down syndrome, Mongoloid na anak ko, may savings siya. Dito ko po nilagay. And I'm earning. Instead na every month magdi-deposit ako sa parent, sa savings niya, hindi na po ako magdi-deposit. Kasi po, siya na po, may kita na po siya sandali. Alright? Alright? Okay. So number 2 po, it's a wealth gainer. Wealth gainer is malaki siya. Malaki siya ang, ano siya, hindi siya long term. 10 to 15%. To 10 to 15%. Depende po sa market yan. Pero guaranteed po, mayroon tayong mga kasama. Magtatanong kayo mamaya kung ano yung gusto nyo. Wealth gainer. So, tatlo po yung AI natin. Si Manara, number 1, yung manual trade, ikaw mismo. Number 2 po is a wealth gainer. Wealth builder. Long term po to. And then si wealth gainer po, long term din po to. Depende. Si wealth builder kasi, ang tinitrade niya is euro versus dollars. Ito po kasi, ang tinitrade ni wealth gainer is gold versus US dollars. So medyo mas diferensya po sila. Depende na ho sa inyo kung ano pong gusto nyong AI. And again, anytime po niyo i-withdraw yung account niyo. So ibig sabihin, hindi po siya scam. Alright? Okay. Tuloy tayo. So, tatlo po. Now, these are when I was with Smart and Dito Telecommunity, the usual, pag mayroon kaming ilo-launch na product, usually dun 6 months po na may backtesting. 6 months po tinitest natin. Yung AI natin sa Wealth Gainer at saka Wealth Builder, 1 year po, almost 2 years na po. 2 years na po yung nagra-run siya. Ibig sabihin, kumikita siya. Kaya ang kita niya ganito po, no? Yung 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 gain niya is 38.35%. Yung drawdown niya, ibig sabihin po yung drawdown niya, ibig sabihin, if you have $1 or if you have $100, pag matatalo siya, ang talo mo is only 6%. Meaning to say, ang talo mo is only $6. Okay? Now, ang winning rate niya, kung in a buy position is 71%. Ang winning rate niya sa sell position is 69%. Guys, I tell you, again 50-50 si Forex. But even if you lamang ka na ng 1%, panalo ka na. So how much more dito sa Wealth Builder at saka Wealth Gainer, 71% at 69% ang lamang mo. Okay? So you're winning. All right. So that's the first cheat code. Again, that's the first cheat code. It's all about AI. The Manara Pattern Scanner, the Wealth Builder, and the Wealth Gainer. Number 2 po, cheat code. Kaya hindi mo na kailangan mag-analyze ng market is expert trader signal. Mayroon po tayong mga expert trader na nagbibigay ng signal. Ikaw na lang po ang mag-manual maglagay. Just like, halimbawa, ito si FXRE, buy now, buy ang ito po, tapos ilagay mo SL, stop loss, ilagay mo TP. Okay? That's expert signal. Ito po, si Edris, yung part of our company, he is, I think, he is, ano po siya, foreign national, no? Nagbibigay din po siya ng signal. Part of your package po. Part of yung makukuha niyo sa economy. Now, ito po, again, yung signal po na binibigay sa atin, ang winning rate niya is 78%. Ang losing rate niya is only 22%. So guys, again, lamang ka na 78%. 51% nga, lamang ka na, how much more 78%? Okay? Okay. Now, to continue, these are the examples of the signals that they are giving us. Now, number 3 po, dito po sa economy, if wala kang time mag-aral, mayroon ho tayong academy. Ang tawag natin dito, ECA, Economy Calibrated Academy. We have from basic, advanced to masterclass. Pwede nyo po aralin, araw-arawin, oras-orasin, oras-oras. Pwede nyo titingnan para ma-master talaga kayo. So yung mayroon kaming kasama, ginawa niya parang Netflix. Instead of manunood siya ng inaaral niya. Kasi pera po ang pag-usapan natin dito. Kung hindi niyo aralin to, mawawala talaga yung pera niyo. So herein we have an ECA. Okay. Now, these are basic to advanced, even masterclass crypto. And then, eto pa. What's good with our community, guys? Again, yung sinasabi ko kanina, na nag-aral po kami dito para ma-share namin, maibibigay namin. We have a weekly chart mastery. Tuturuan po kayo. Marami ako mismo ang magtuturo sa inyo paano mag-scalping ng gold. Marami na po. Yung kanina may nag-text sa akin, Coach Nonoy, pag makalating ako sa Pinas, sisikapin ko po makapunta ako ng Cagayan de Oro para ma-meet kita at pasalamatan kita. Tinestimony ko sa church namin kasi yung binigay niyo na signal, tinuro niyo, very effective. Even our coaches, nagsishare po kami, chart mastery. This is fun. Kung ito, sa ibang grupo, sa ibang community, chart mastery, magbabayad po kayo per session 1 hour 2.5. Pero sa atin, free lang po. Ganun po tayo ka-generous. Now, ito po, masterclass. Now, Ito po yung educators natin, yung mga magagaling. Now, ang number 4 cheat code po, balik ko lang, number 1 cheat code is the AI. Sa AI, tatlo yan. Si Pattern Scanner, si Manara Pattern Scanner. Number 2, si Wealth Builder. Number 3, si Wealth Gainer. Puro AI yan. Number 2 cheat code po, number 2 cheat code is the expert signal from traders, signal from expert traders. Number 2. Number 3 po is si ECA, yung academy natin. And number 4 po, which is very, very, very effective, is live trading from Abdallah. Guys, this is only a 5 to 10 minutes trade. And si Coach Gio, ito yung minaster niya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo later. Ito yung tinuro niya sa atin. Ito yung tinuro niya sa amin. Ito rin ang ituturo namin sa inyo. It's a 5-minute trade earning. Pakita ko sa inyo. Live trading. Ito, example. Ito, pakinggan nyo. Yan. Buy na. Buy na. Ha? See? That's live trading every 9:30 in the evening Philippine time. All right. Ito po, kahit walang experience, sasabay ka lang kay Abdallah. Kumita ng 85K in 2 trades lang po. Yan, live trading. Yan, ganun po ang dito. Kaya hindi na, you don't need to analyze the market, yung ano-ano pa. Kaya nga may cheat codes. 4 po yung cheat codes natin. Okay? Balik ko lang. Si AI, tatlo yan. Pattern scanner, si Manara. Manual po kayo mag-entry. Dalawa po is si Wealth Builder. Yung si AI na po ang mag-trade. Pangatlo po, si Wealth Gainer, AI na rin ang mag-trade. Just don't worry with this 2 Wealth Builder and Wealth Gainer is that kayo po ang mag-open ng account, kayo po ang titingin, anytime po pwede nyo i-stop, anytime po pwede nyo kunin yung pera nyo if you don't like. Okay. Number 2 cheat code is the expert from our signals from our expert traders. Number 3 po is the ECA, economic educational academy. So ECA. So pwede nyong ulit-ulitin. Number 4 po itong live trading. Live trading po, susunod na lang kayo. Now, these are yung kita nila. Yung kita, it's 1,570, ganun lang po kasimple. 985, ganun lang po kasimple ang kitaan dito. In just one trading. Okay? Are we getting? Are we getting? Oh? All right. Now, ito po, this is our company is economy. Economy. Ito po yung company natin. Now, ang magandang tanong, sir, magkano po yan? Magkano po yan? I tell you, wala akong experience. I am a 66, I am a senior citizen, I'm a 55 years old. I don't know how to trade. To tell you honestly, guys, we have a coach here. Coach Eman started Forex when he was 66 years old. Now he is 67 years old. I retired from PNOC. Kumikita po ng $100 to $200 to $300 per day. Coach Husya, siya po nagtuturo na siya ngayon. So kung sino po yung na-enroll sa kanya. So hindi natin pwede sabihin na hindi ko kaya. How much more? Sino dito ang 67 years old? 67 years old. How old are you, Ma'am Mildred Nicolas? How old are you, by the way? Si Ray po, how old are you? Sino po? If kaya, Ma'am Mildred, 50 years old, almost the same lang po tayo. Almost the same lang po tayo ng edad. No? So, 40 years old, Ma'am Karen. Wow. 66 years old. 66 years old. Started 66 years old. Now, ito po ang mga testimony. First time in my entire forex trading career. Wow, Sachi 57, 36, 59. Zoom user, 59 years old. Kaya mo pa rin to. Kaya mo to. Ito po, these are the testimony. It's my first time na kumita sila in their life in Forex. No? So again, apat po yung cheat codes natin. The AI tools, which is tatlo po siya. Number one is the Manara pattern. Number two, si Wealth Builder. Number three is a Wealth Gainer. Number two cheat code po is si Expert Trader Signal. Number three po si EKA. Yung mga educational materials na pwede mo aral-aralin. Number four po si Access to Live Training. Now, ang magandang tanong, ang magandang tanong ngayon, ang magandang tanong, ang magandang tanong, ang magandang tanong, magkano naman to? Di ba? Now, other classes, other courses is 70 to 150 US dollars, 50K for only 1 week. Kami, we went to Manila. We stayed for 3 days in Manila. Gumastos po kami ng 30 to 40 pesos. Pero hindi nyo na kailangan to. Kasi, ito po, hindi nyo na kailangan to. Ang other companies or other groups are asking for 1,799 US dollars. Hindi natin alam kung anong mayroon sa kanila. Others are also, with their smaller package, is 1,444. But here is our economy. Economy po natin. Ito po sa atin. Okay. 645 only ang economy. Apat na po yung cheat codes ninyo. Makikon. Sino po, if I may ask, sino po? Atin ba? Type atin ang mas mura or sa kanila? Atin po. Please type 1 kung atin ang mas maganda or sa kanila. 1. Sir Rodrigo, 1. So are you willing po, ang tatanong ko po, are you willing to learn to get these 4 cheat codes? Are you willing? Are you willing? Please type yes if you wanted to get these 4 cheat codes. But mayroon akong isasabi sa inyo. If you are willing. For those who are willing, if you can type yes, mayroon akong i-reveal sa inyo. Mayroon akong i-reveal sa inyo. If you are willing, no? Please type yes if you're willing. Please type yes if you're willing to get this 645 only USD. Now, if you are willing, we have 14 messages coming up. Yes, you are willing. Ma'am Ani, Ma'am Sachi, and Adelpha Barrietos. No? If you're willing. Now, you remember, before kayo nakapunta dito, how many are we? How many? We have 130. Wow, it's my first time to reach 130 audience. 130 po tayo. Mayroon po kayong sinalihan na, mayroon po kayong tinext na page or person, paano kayo nabigyan ng link? Tama ho ba? Tama ho ba? Tama ho ba? Please type tama. Bago kayo nakapasok dito, mayroon kayong mga page na doon kayo na-invite po. Tama. Now, here is the catch. Ito po yung 645. Pero gusto niyo bang ibaba ko to? Itong 128 participants, kanina 130, sorry na lang po sa dalawa na umalis. Pasensya na ho. If you type, I joined the webinar, to the person who gave you the link or to the page kung saan kayo sumali, kung saan nabigyan kayo ng link para maka-join sa webinar na to, please type, I joined the webinar. Right here, right now. Because if you type, no, Ma'am Ellen, dun po sa link na nagbigay ng sa link po, dun, kung sino yung nagbigay ng link, dun po kayo mag-type. I join. Ma'am Ayo, dun po sa nagbigay ng link sa page na Sir Santiago, ma'am, dun po sa link, hindi po dito sa chat box. Yung 645 USD, if you go back to the person or to the page na nagbigay sa iyo ng link, please type, I joined the webinar. May i-reveal ko sa inyo. 127 na lang tayo from 130. May i-reveal tayo. May i-reveal ako. Gusto niyo ho ba? Gusto niyo ho ba? if you like. Yes po, I joined the webinar doon po sa link na napasukan nyo, hindi po dito. Hindi po dito. Because pag mag-join kayo mag-type kayo ng join na webinar, eto po. Instead from 645, just imagine guys, ibababa natin sa 149. Are you willing? Are you willing? Please type yes if you're willing. I need yes. Because if you're willing, if you need more yes. If I can get more yeses now, ay may ibibigay pa ako ng bonus. May bibigay pa ako ng bonus. If you like, please type yes. Flood me with yes, ladies and gentlemen. Flood me with yes. Flood me with yes. Flood me with yes. Flood me with yes. Because if you type, I joined the webinar to the link na kung saan kayo na-invite, from 645, 149 na lang ang enrollment. Since I got all yeses, I got maraming yeses, may bonus ho akong ibibigay. May bonus po kaming ibibigay. Ano ho yung bonus? Are you excited? Are you excited with the bonus? Are you excited with the bonus? Mga kapatid, A to Z, ito po ang bonus natin. May 2-day challenge tayo. May 2-day challenge tayo. What is this 2-day challenge? That's why you need to join tonight. Because it will start on the 28th. 28th is Thursday. That's 8 o'clock in the evening to 10 o'clock in the evening. 8 to 10. That's why you type, I joined the webinar because may challenge ho tayo. Ano ho itong challenge? It's free for members in the GC. Because when you type, I joined the webinar, ikaw mismo, Mr. Irgado Huinyo, ikaw mismo, Ma'am Vani, ikaw mismo, ilalagay po namin doon sa GC namin na 8. Most likely, magiging 9 na tayo. Just imagine, every GC, 8 GC na po kami, 8 GCs, 250 persons ang maximum na pwede namin ilagay. Naka 8 GC na kami. Mayroon tayong 3-day challenge for free. Ilalagay po kayo namin doon. Kasama po kayo sa 2-day challenge. Ano ho ang mangyari dito sa 2-day challenge? You will learn how to trade for free. That's number 1. Forex for beginners. How to understand the market. Number 2, trade execution. Ano po mag-execute ng buy, mag-sell, ganyan. You will learn. Just imagine guys, for free. 2-day challenge. So that's why I joined the webinar. Type po, I joined the webinar. And number 3 po, simple strategies for beginners. Mayroon po kaming ibabagsak na mga strategies. Dito po. Okay? Alright. Thursday po, March 27. March 20. Thursday and Friday. Nagkamali lang po. Pasensya. That's why I want attentive persons because kung hindi ka attentive, hindi mo alam tong March 27, March 20. Thank you ha. Salamat. Very attentive po. I joined the webinar po dun sa link, yung kung saan kayo nakakuha ng link sa person. Now, again, that's the bonus. Guys, just imagine. From 645, ito yung sa kanila, 1,799. Bumaba tayo sa 645. Hindi pa tayo siguro sa kanila. Sa atin, sigurado na. 645, just I joined the webinar. Nag-join ka, may bonus ka. 149 only. And then, may bonus ka, you can join the 2-day challenge. We will teach you how to trade for free. Okay? Now, ito po yung makukuha nyo for the package. Now, what will happen to you if you subscribe? All right. Ito so pa, si Ma'am Marichu, 5 kasama po siya sa bootcamp namin. 5 po yung anak niya. In just 1 month, kumita siya ng 5,047. Nabayaran niya po ng tuition fee. Yung mga anak na nag-nursing, nabayaran niya po lahat. So ito po, she's also one of our coaches. All right. So these are yung mga, when you are in the GC, marami po kayong makikita na mga ganitong klase. kung maano ang kitaan. Dito, we will teach you how to do this. We will teach you how to get 1,201. Now, first time kong nakabawi sa isip as a trader, ito po, these are the testimonies. Ikaw po mismo mag-testimony. You're one of those people na mag-testimony na kumikita na sa trading. Okay. Ilalagay po kayo namin dito. So ito po, these are examples of our mga proof na may kitaan talaga dito. Now, this is our community. Ito po, halimbawa, pupunta po kami sa inyong lugar, po we can meet and greet, pwede po kayo tuturuan namin ko konti-konti, no? Pwede po kayong turuan. This is our community now. So this one is Coach Gio. He went to, nag-bootcamp po kami dito. Isa mo? Yan. 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 Nagturo siya sa amin. Sir. Ah, yan. Nagturo siya sa atin. Ito rin, ituturo namin sa inyo. You don't have to attend the bootcamp. Hindi na kailangan. Yan. 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 Tinuturo niya sa amin. Pumunta siya dito sa atin. Sa amin. Cagayan de Oro, Claveria, and Misamis Oriental, and Bukidnon. So, before, ito po yung mga pictures namin. Ito yung mga pictures namin sa bootcamp. Before, I will also play to you our endorser. You can throw your questions right now if may questions kayo. I agree. Yung endorser natin, si Manny Pacquiao, economy. But you will still want to earn in trading. Marami kasi mga tao medyo gusto, marami dito, pumapasok lang tapos nag-iinsulto, ganyan. Okay. Tuloy po lang kayo, sir. Tuloy lang po kayo. Tuloy. Ah, mayroong mga tao na kaya ko naman yan, marami sa YouTube na kaya ko na, hindi ko na kailangan yan, hindi ko na ito yung masasabi ni former President Duterte sa mga tao na gusto mag-trading na hindi napapasok sa atin. Yan ang sinasabi na. Because guys, to tell you honestly, 95% of the trader, yung bagong trader nasusunog. 95% traders fail. Even if you Google it, 95%. All right? And then this is one of our coaches. Kumita ng 428, a student, 105. Okay. And then before I'll end, kasi we have a live trading yung kay Abdallah. Again, may isasabi ko lang na mga sayings is how much you get tomorrow is determined by how much you invest today. Kung ano yung makikita, magkano yung makukuha mo tomorrow, depends only on how much o magkano yung ini-invest mo today. And here's another one. Here's another one, which is very striking. Use your time to earn money. If you have no money, if you have money, you will always have the time. If you have no time and you have no money, something is wrong with you. So, magandang gabi po lahat. That ends my presentation. So, if you like my presentation, please just emoji heart. Type po lang kayo ng emoji heart if you like my presentations. My presentation po, if you like, thank you po, Ma'am Jinky. Thank you po, maraming salamat. I think Coach Nars is here to
Yes, Coach.
formally close the one. So,
Congratulations. Guys, ano ko lang na yung 2-day challenge natin na webinar tomorrow, that's for free doon sa maka-join sa GC ho natin or part ng community. Para ho kayo maging part ng community, mag-reply lang kayo ng I joined the webinar. Saan po kayo mag-reply? Huwag po dito sa chat. Doon po kayo mag-reply sa Messenger, sa person, or sa Facebook page, may nagbigay sa inyo ng link tonight. Bago kayo naka-join tonight, may nagbigay ng link. So if you want to explore more, guys, I understand this is not for everyone. Only for those who want to explore, want to learn more. Kasi wala namang risk for this one. Kasi free naman itong webinar tomorrow. We just need you to be part of the community and the GC so that we can update you and we can give you the link. No pressure. If you don't like the GC, feel free to leave. No hard feelings because we want you to be genuinely interesting with the Forex trading. Now, if you want that, if you want to explore, what I want you to do is kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-comment ng I joined the webinar, what I want you to do is comment mo doon sa Messenger that I joined the webinar. Bukas na po yan, 8 p.m. Kung wala po kayong internet, hanap ka ng paraan kasi yung paraan, yun po yung makasolve ng utang natin. Okay? But like I said, it's not for everyone. Okay, it's not for everyone. So again, ulitin ko po, free workshop. Normally, this seminar is cost 10,000 to 15,000. Itong klaseng 2 araw na seminar or more. Pero since join kayo sa community, we will give it for free sa lahat ng nakapag-join sa community natin. But what I want you to do for you to join with this webinar is that I want you to reply sa person or Facebook page na nagbigay ng link sa inyo that I joined the webinar. That's the password so that we can put you in GC and then we'll give you the link tomorrow so that you can join that webinar. Usually it will cost 10,000, but tomorrow, because kapart na kayo ng community, we'll give it for free. All right? For free. Copy? Copy. All right. Now, guys, since magti-trade pa kami, 9:30 kasi kami nagti-trade, we would like to thank you for joining us. Nakita nyo naman ang daming gustong kumita ng Forex trading. Unfortunately, we can't answer everyone, those who ask questions, but if you message us and you join the webinar, you can be part of our GC and all of the questions will be answered there. Thank you so much, Coach Nonoy. God bless you. Congratulations, everyone. God bless.